Today we are making a vegan and sugar-free pistachio ice cream with only 3 ingredients. It's super healthy and easy to make, and you won't need any special equipment. What we need is some bananas, make sure they are ripe, some pistachios, you can buy them with or without shell, but don't get the salted ones, and a little bit of lemon juice. That's it. Now, let's start by peeling the bananas. Because we'll have to freeze and then blitz the bananas, you may wonder if you should chop them right now or not. We like to cut them once frozen, right before blitzing them. Doing so keeps bananas from oxidizing and browning too early. Don't worry, frozen bananas are very easy to cut. Here we are. Now, just let the bananas freeze for 1 to 2 hours, or even overnight. Meanwhile, you can start shelling pistachios if you bought them shell on. Try your best to remove the thin brown film around the nuts. This film is not pleasant to eat and will affect the final color of the ice cream. If you are not the patient type, consider buying shelled pistachios. They cost a bit more, but you won't have to clean them yourself. Okay, once the bananas have been freezing for at least 1 hour, move the pistachios onto a larger bowl and cover them with water. Soaked pistachios are easier to blend into a cream, and they release more of their green color, just what we need for our ice cream. Next, slice the lemon and squeeze out all the juice. We'll use this juice on the bananas right after cutting them to keep them from oxidizing. Once the bananas are frozen, quickly cut them into chunks small enough for your blender. As you can see, frozen bananas are quite easy to slice. Now, quickly grab your blender and add in the nuts, the bananas, and the lemon juice. Blend all for a minute or so and see your vegan pistachio ice cream come to life. Do you see how pistachios are slowly leaking their pigments into the banana? We didn't use any colorants, so our pistachio ice cream will have that light green hue typical of artisanal gelato. So cute! What you can do now is transfer the ice cream into a freezer-friendly container. As you can see, the ice cream is quite soft and creamy now, perfect for scooping right away. But if you like your ice cream a bit harder or on a cone, seal the container and freeze it a little longer. This is how our ice cream looks after we froze it overnight. After 15 minutes, it was easy to scoop and had a wonderful consistency. Great to pop on a cone. So, what do you think of this vegan pistachio ice cream? We hope you like it. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more deliciously healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye!